guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm showing you how I go from black to pretty much platinum blonde. So yeah, I'm sorry for the audio, but this is going to be a voiceover. So I'm showing you guys my 40 volume developer that I have that I'm just going to be using up, but then I'm also showing you my 30 volume developer because you don't necessarily need 40. You can get away with 30 volume and 20 volume. And then I'm also showing you the oils I'll be using on my hair, which is the coconut oil and vitamin E oil. I'm showing you my jelly that I'm using for the perimeters of my hair and my purple shampoo by Redken. And then I'm also showing you an affordable one, which is called Shiny Silver. So if you can't afford the Redken one, you can get that one. And then I'm showing you Sweet and Low because this really does help. Like, it helps kind of cool your hair. So it's not too, peppery. And then I'm showing you my bleach that I'm using. I like the Quick Blue bleach because it does the job for me. I've used several ones, but I like this one. And then I'm showing you this argan oil that I'm going to be putting on my hair, and then this keratin oil as well. I have really curly hair, so keratin leave-in conditioner helps kind of straighten it a little bit. And then you definitely need gloves and paper bag or shower cap, and then your mixing bowl. And we're going to get started with the process. So I pretty much mix the two powders and then put the 40 volume developer, and then I put the jelly around the perimeters of my head, especially my ears. Like, I put a lot. You want to put a lot there because it can actually burn. And then I'm applying the bleach on the thickest part of my hair, which is the middle part of my hair. And you just want to kind of apply that. After a while, I kind of just went in with my fingers to make sure everything is all in there, massaging it all over my hair. Pro tip too, you don't want to scratch. You just want to use like the nape of your fingers, like the softest part, and then apply it everywhere. And then I was just making sure, I didn't have a mirror, so I was just making sure I applied it everywhere. And then I let it sit for an hour, 30 minutes on my hair. Well, it was an hour, actually. It was not an hour, 30 minutes. And then I washed it all off. So this is it after an hour. And then I used the purple. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, make we ginger. Make you ginger. Okay, guys. So, as you can tell, it is still brassy. And this is never what we want. We don't want to look like Avido Lugumba and, back in those days. This is not, well, no shade to them, okay, if that's what they wanted then. But we're not trying to look like this, okay? This ain't it. This is not cute. So I'm gonna bleach it again with the remaining. And I think I still need to bleach it a third time, and then I put on my gloves. So I decided to bleach it again after the first wash. So I had remnants from the last one, from the bleaching condiment, so I just put that again. So pretty much I bleached my hair twice with the 40 volume developer. You don't necessarily need to do this, guys. You can do with 30 volume. I actually recommend that, especially if your hair is quite sensitive or your scalp is quite sensitive, but I was so impatient. And then I'm showing you guys the purple shampoo, and washing it all out to kind of just take out some of the brassiness, but it was still there. So at this point, I just put my oils and I went to bed because I was like, I'm I kind of want the health of my hair to still look good. So I just put the leave-in conditioners, the oil, and I went to bed, So I'm showing you guys the keratin, the vitamin E oil that I used, and all that jazz. That's what I did, and then I was good for the day, pretty much. I just put all the oil because when you bleach your hair, it's pretty much dry, no moisture. So I was just massaging everything and making sure I had, making sure my hair was pretty much drenched, and that was it. And so the next day I used the powder, but then I used the 20 volume developer. So because I was like, no, I don't want to do too much. Okay, so I used the 20 volume developer, and I think I let it sit for 45 minutes. And I also started from the middle part of my hair too, so 45 minutes was good enough to get me the color that I wanted. However, I ran into another issue. So you really want to be careful too with your toner. You want to make sure that when you're using your toner or your purple bleach, sorry, not purple bleach, your purple shampoo, that you don't let it sit for too long, because I let mine sit for too long, because the instruction basically said you can let it sit for 10 minutes, and I had those like pink purple tone, and this was not what I was going for. So I used my Wella toners. I used T18 and T14. I only use a quarter of those, so you don't need a lot. And you definitely want to use them with a 20 volume developer. 20 volume developer will get you that toned look. So I used that, and I was just massaging it. I didn't let it sit in my hair for more than 5 minutes, because I was scared that it would stain my hair. So this was me putting the toner, and you can already tell it was giving that purple look. And then I was able to achieve my platinum look. I'm so in love with my hair. My hair feels so soft. And I was just showing you guys the back, and I really love how it looked. And obviously I was using my phone to check the back, and this is how it turned out, guys. Let me know if you like this kind of videos. I'll be doing more of these videos, but I'm so sorry the volume was trash. Bye, guys.